In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor on this Ford F-150. It's located underneath the glove box, so let's get started. I like to start by unplugging it. We have to remove 3 8mm screws that hold this onto the blower motor housing. I'm going to start with that rear one all the way in the back. That's the hardest one to get to, and that's why I'm going to start with it, because I don't want to leave that one for last. I'm going to try and sneak a little 8mm ratchet wrench back there. And I'm just going to remove this screw all the way. All right, there's one of them. I'm going to get this one next because it's also somewhat difficult to get to, although not as bad as the previous one. And there it is. The blower motor is going to want to drop down at this point, which is normal. And now you can pull the blower motor right out. There it is. Now grab the new blower motor. I'm gonna peel back the carpet again so it can have space to slide in here. And then once you get it into the blower motor housing, we're gonna have to put the carpet back so we can see what we're doing. Line it up, make sure this area meets up and seals up. That's important so it can vent. Grab one of the screws and thread on this front one because it'll be the easiest one to thread on. Well, that one's in, so I'm going to try and get in the second one. Okay, before I put that last one in, I'm going to tighten these up just a little bit so it can hold the blower motor securely onto the housing. That's snug. Don't go any further. You don't want to strip it out and then it won't clamp it tight. All right, that's snug. Last one all the way in the back here. Turn it on by hand as much as you can, and that'll give you the least amount of work with the ratchet. Nice and snug. Now let's plug it in. Make sure that's securely locked in. And now you can test out your blower motor.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.